Hello, good morning, children. Sai Ram. Yes, in our English class, we will learn composition, and the topic is descriptive essay writing. Yes, there are different types of essays. In that, we are going to learn today descriptive essay writing. What is a descriptive essay? Let's see. A descriptive essay is a type of essay which describes about a particular object, person, place, character, etc. in a very detailed way. Yes, we are describing, that is called as descriptive. We are describing about some personality, about a person or an object or a place which we have visited, or a character which is known to us in a very detailed way. But in a very detailed way, we have to remember, we have to include only important information, not irrelevant. The information which is not required is not to be included. Yes, children? At the same time, we have to make our essay very interesting. How to write a descriptive essay? Let's learn. Let's see. Number 1. Choose a character or personality who is known to you or whom you meet frequently. Yes, so you have to write about your favorite book, your favorite dream, your favorite place, yes, your hobby, what you are interested in doing. So these topics on which you are aware, you should collect information, and then you should mentally prepare yourself how to write about it. You have to first choose the topic carefully. Yes. Number 2, describe the character in such a way that someone who has never seen or heard them will understand who they are. Yes, you have to describe them. So when you are describing, you have to describe in such a interesting way. You have to make it such interesting so that the reader gets a good impression and he feels that yes, really it's wonderful, isn't it? If you have not seen the person whom you are describing, but still with the help of your essay, yes, your content, he is understanding the personality, he could imagine. So you have to beautifully depict the character whom you are describing. Yes. Number 3, write 2 or 3 paragraphs describing the character. Yes, first paragraph will be your introduction, and then the next paragraph will be your body. In that body, you may write 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs, and then towards the ending one more concluding paragraph. So include how they look physically, what their voice sounds like, and any other details you can think of. Yes, so what you have to include, how they look physically. You have to depict their features very beautifully. Yes, like if I am using the word beautiful, so when I am using, you have to elaborate that she looks so beautiful that nobody could match her beauty. So you have to depict and elaborate in a very beautiful manner so that the impression on the reader is very good and he feels the content of the essay. What their voice sounds like. Yes, the sound also you can elaborate and use different adjectives, yes, to describe their, yes, voice and then features and any other details you can think of. Whatever details comes to your mind you can include and you can describe. Yes. Yes, look at the question. Yes, you have to write the question on your left hand side, correct, and essay you are going to start on right hand side. First we write down the question and before that we will read. Write a descriptive essay on the topic my best friend. Yes, what comes to your mind when we discuss the topic my best friend? Everyone has a friend whom they can describe very beautifully. They can describe it in a, yes, in their own way. Yes. So here we will see the topic, how we are going to begin. Yes, and then we will see the next paragraph also. And at the end you can add your own, yes, points and you can, yes, end the essay. Okay, children? So when I discuss about my best friend, immediately there must be a name coming to your mind, yes, whom you want to describe as your best friend. Let's read and let's see how to start with. Friendship is one of the greatest blessings that not everyone is lucky enough to have. I feel extremely fortunate to have the best friend in my life. Yes, when you begin the first paragraph, you have to begin from the margin, right from the margin. You don't have to leave the space. Yes, children? So this way you will write and you will begin, and otherwise when you write some other topic, whatever comes to your mind, first you have to organize your information whatever you want to write about the topic. So in the beginning you have to give a good catchy sentence or slogan which could grab the attention of the readers. Yes, they should feel interesting. When you are writing something, others should feel it through their senses. They should feel in that situation. Yes, they should understand. So you have to think about such beautiful beginning in the essay. Next, today I will tell you about how we became best friend and about her qualities. My best friend's name is Sarah. She is a very sweet girl. Yes. So you're describing, you're giving the name and you're, yes, explaining about your friend who is very sweet to you. Yes. This is the way you have to proceed in your essay writing. Okay, children? Next, our friendship started when Sarah came as a new admission to my class in 6th standard. She always helps me whenever I face any difficulty. So you're explaining, you're giving the details, when did you meet her and then where did you meet her and how does she Yes, how is she great to you and how does she help you? Yes, children. So you have to give very much minute details, but which are very important only. Yes, unimportant details are not required, and not to elaborate and make your essay very lengthy, which becomes very boring and nobody will be interested to read your content. Okay? She possesses so many good qualities like compassion, humbleness, and most importantly, honesty. Yes, you are describing her qualities, and so beautifully you have added here, see, describing words through which you can understand how you can feel how the person is, how are their qualities. And to have a feel, you have to use good adjectives. Yes, I will tell you some more adjectives, like you can use adorable, joyful, bright, intelligent. Yes, in the place of very beautiful, you can use gorgeous. So there are so many adjectives describing beautifully the personality, so you have to go through and select good adjectives to describe and write a good essay. Okay, children, let's continue. I have never seen a dancer as good as Sarah. The prizes she has won are proofs of her talent. Yes, the prizes, number of prizes she has won are the proofs of her talent. So she is quite talented. Yes, you are making us feel, you are through this, how could you feel that the person who is your friend is quite talented. So you should have a good company, and you should remember, with the help of good company you develop a good personality and good qualities. So always try to, yes, have good company and the talented ones. Yes, children, we have lived moments together and have created memories that will remain throughout my life. So many moments you share, and then memories are there in your, yes, will remain with you throughout your life. So here we come to the end of the essay, but I hope you have enjoyed and understood. At the end, you have to add some more points which you would like to describe and add to the concluding part about your friend. And then you have to write down this essay in your notebook. Yes, see you again with the next topic in the next session. Till then, yes, children, bye. Have a good day. Take good care of yourself.